if you have problems loading the certain areas in this game, you want to go ahead and save before you try and enter those, obviously. And I'll show you how to fix this problem. But, see, normally when you try and load an area, this is what happens. You get this black screen, and even though it says saving and it starts to try and load, it doesn't ever load. It just shows you a black screen and a bunch of text. Oh well. What you need to do is go ahead and go back to the dash and move your save over to a flash drive. I'm going to show you how to do that here. Go over to System, Storage, go over to the hard drive, Games and Apps, find your save, just click it and click Move. Alright, go back to the game now. Alright, go back to the save you made right before you entered the gate. All you have to do is pull out the flash drive, and it's going to ask you, do you want to continue without the saving, or do you want to quit or recheck for device? Go ahead and say continue without saving. Like I said, you can't save after this, but if you built up your character, want to keep going, have the time, want to play through almost at the end anyways, it's a great way to fix it. I mean, it sucks you can't save, but see, there's the regular loading screen like it should have done earlier. There you go. Loaded the area you were trying to get into, just can't save. Something Lionhead should have fixed, but they didn't. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope it helps.